Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm do invents decor, but 8 months ago now I'm start a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. I'm a flip furniture mom. Today I'm going to make over 5 pieces of furniture, French Provincials, in 2 different looks. I'm going to use metallic paint and gold leaves for my first time. I'm going to use transfers and make this piece in glamorous, I'm thinking. Let's go to start. I got this French Provincial bedroom set on Facebook Marketplace a while ago. Comes with a nightstand, but I'm already sold the nightstand and now I'm decide to split in 2 different slots and sold individual pieces. It's in a good shape. It's that because I had stay on my workshop for a while, but still in a good shape. I'm doing on a dresser and hatch metallic paint and make the desk in a vanity with pink. First, I take the hardware off to make a good cleaning and prepare for work. At this time I'm using Dawn dish soap for wash all the pieces. I'm sorry guys, I not show all the paperwork, but I'm cleaning, sanding and give 1 coat of primer before to paint. For my top coat I use Modern Masters top coat. Is the best for metallic paint. Leave the paint like shine what it is. For the second part I use Behr sharp paint in red and white mix and I make my only color. I make this beautiful pink. are selling my gold leaves and transfers with modern masters. Let's do a quick look before when I start with and after. I'm in love with this metallic rose gold. For my first time, this piece turns out so glamorous. I really love this. I want to thank you all you guys for your support, for your comments, for your kind words and love, encouragement you give to me and keep me going make videos like this. Now you can buy me a coffee and help me to support my channel, or check my Amazon wish list and help me to support my channel, and I can keep make the videos like this. I'm in love in all these details. This gold leaves turns out so beautiful. The transfers, the pink color, all these details turn out this vanity in glamorous vanity. I'm in love. I don't know which one I love more, if is the dresser or the vanity. Can you please comment below which one is your favorite, the dresser or the vanity? Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy like I did to make it. See you on next one. Bye!